Hey guys, welcome back to TechMan. Today, let me show you Missive versus Outlook. Which is better? When it comes to email productivity, two platforms stand out: Missive and Microsoft Outlook. Outlook has long been the go to for businesses and professionals, known for its reliable scheduling, robust email tools, and seamless Microsoft 365 integration. Meanwhile, Missive is a fresh, modern contender designed for collaboration, bringing together email, chat, and task management in one sleek platform. Missive excels in teamwork with shared inboxes, built-in chat, real-time commenting, and integrations that make communication fast and organized. However, it's not ideal for solo users or those who need deep calendar features and offline access. Outlook, on the other hand, remains a powerhouse for enterprises, offering advanced scheduling, automation, and cross-device functionality. Though its interface can feel dated and lacks Missive's collaborative edge. So, which is better? If you're part of a dynamic team managing shared inboxes or customer support, Missive wins for collaboration and modern design. But if you depend on calendar syncing, Microsoft 365, and a classic email structure, Outlook still reigns supreme. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.